Hello, penny pinchers. Now, today we are going to be having a look at the Embee Meter CX. Now, the Embee Meter CX basically is an app that runs in the back of your phone and it sends information for different websites that you go to and so forth. Now, before you download the app to your phone, do a bit of research behind it. For me, it's perfect. It just sits in the back of the phone. I've actually got it running on a couple of phones, which I'll talk about in a little while. But you really do not know that it's there. You may have to restart it occasionally, but it is very occasionally. And I've had this app on my phone since the 12th of December. So let's have a look. Let's open the app up, and obviously there's a list of apps that are similar there. But please do a bit of research before you stick anything on your phone, just in case. You never know. So without further ado, let's open the app. It's very basic. I mean, I rarely open it up because it does tick over nicely. So this is the home page, and as you can see, I've actually accrued 1,900 meter points. And like I said, that's been from the 12th of December. It is now the 20th of February. So was it December, January? So three months, 1 week. So I've accrued 1,900 points. Now, I get 25 meter points a day. And what I've learned is I've actually got other phones as well, which I'm running Embee Meter CX on. Well, I'm just running it off the one phone at the moment. The reason being is when I started it on another phone, I'm only getting 15 meter points a day. And I think that's due to other people in the area who might be running the meter. I'm not 100% sure, but I am getting less meter points on my smaller phone, let's just say. Now, that phone that I've bought, I did specifically buy for passive income and just earning cash. So I'm not overly bothered by it, but my main Embee Meter CX income is via my main phone here. Like I said, and I'm getting 25 points a day. If we just refresh it, yep, we are up to date as such. Now, as you can see, it tells us that the meter's running. I'm earning 25 points a day. So what else we have here on the home screen is that tells you what you can pay out and how many points you need to pay out. Now, bearing in mind, you get 25 points a day. So in the UK here, you can only cash out by using PayPal, which is fine by me. But I do think in other countries, you can get phone credit, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but do check if that's something that you want. But to be honest with you, like I said, it just runs in the background and you generally don't know that it's there. So let's have a look. So PayPal, we choose PayPal. And as you can see, the amount that you can cash out on is 150 meter points, which equates to £1, 500 meter points, which equates to £5, or 1,000 meter points, which equates to £10. So if we, I'm not going to cash out today because I would like to build it up. So I've got about 20, 30 pounds in there, which will come in handy for a present, or I'm looking to buy a model of the Enterprise D. So let's hopefully we'll be able to save up enough money in the next couple of months to do that. Right, so that's the home page, and as you can see, £10 cash out that we're hoping to do, but you can cash out on £1. Now, if we go into the reward section, it tells you what the rewards I am earning. Like I said, I'm getting 25 points on this phone, and I'm only getting 15 points on my other phone, which is not great, but it is ticking over. And over the course of the year, if I just leave it alone, it'll add up to, there'll be a Christmas present there or something, which is basically why I'm doing this, really, is for treats and for non-essential spending things. So, right, let's just click on that. Right, so the daily meter reward is the reward that you earn every day just for leaving your meter running. Right, so let's go back there. Right, so next we're going to go into the history, and you'll see this is every day. If you go through it, you can see today is the 20th. I think the points click over at about 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm not 100% sure, but it's not really that important. But as you can see today, transaction meter reward completed, amount 25 points. And if we go all the way down to the bottom, just to prove to you that I started on the 12th. Now, when you sign up, you automatically get 125 points, which is quite a nice bonus to start off with. And then the next day, I got 50 for some reason. Not complaining. Again, I should imagine that's a little bonus. And then 2 days after that, it looked like that I'd missed a couple, but it all caught up with itself. So you can see I got 75 points on the 17th of December. But it is very consistent. It's, there's, and it does just run in the background. Now, that, to be honest with you, is pretty much it. You just leave it running and you earn cash. Now, who can complain about that? Like I say, if you do run it on more than one phone, do be prepared that you won't get the full 25 meter points per day, but even 15 meter points a day soon adds up. Right, I'm just going to click on this question mark, so I'm not 100% sure what that is. Right, okay, if you want to know more about it, obviously that's the help section. So do feel free to read it. I won't bore you by reading all through it, but yeah, make sure that you do read it. Now, just to give you what the official website says with regards to the information that you send them, because I know some people and most people are funny about their information, which is fair enough. Now, at least this way, I know that I'm in control of who's getting it. Unlike other websites and apps, you just don't know. But the official explanation to how it works is actually on the Google Play site. So if I just read that to you. This app uses accessibility services. Accessibility services are used for the purpose of collecting market research information on the websites and apps that our users visit and use. All information is maintained in accordance to our privacy policy. This enables people who might not be willing or able to participate in surveys or other forms of market research to easily, safely and anonymously be compensated for having their needs and preferences and voices heard by companies that provide the products and services that people use and rely on every day. So they kind of sell it as that they're doing you a favour by you're doing companies and other people a favour by visiting these websites, and what they do with the information I do not know, but in summary, it's a very good website. I know I think there's other ones as well which I can't seem to get in this country, called Embee Meter CX, which might be worth a look at if you're in another country, but currently in the UK I can only access Embee Meter CX. It could be because of the smartphone that I'm using, or that we're in the UK. So to be quite frank, that's it. It's only a short one today. I do recommend getting it. Let it run in the background, and you soon build up. Like I say, if we go back to there, so PayPal. So I'm nearly at £20. £20 in 3 months is not a huge amount, but it's £20 that I didn't have. And coupled with the fact that I'm running it on another phone as well, it will soon add up. So come the summertime, come winter, I'll be able to afford quite a nice treat for myself, and that's why I'm doing this. It's not gonna make me rich. It's just going to be enough there for little treats, and maybe come Christmas time it might pay for a present or so. So that is it, and thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you run this meter in the background, if you've had any problems with it, how much you've earned. Yeah, let me know, and thanks for watching. Do be sure to subscribe, and keep an eye on this channel for more of the same, really. Apps that pay. Like I said, on its own you're not going to earn much. With other apps, including other Embee Meter CXs and online surveys, that sort of thing, the pennies do soon add up. So again, thanks for watching. Bye.